Hey, I want to show you a little bit about our larger folding knives. First, any knife from Hendrix Classics is going to be super sharp and have the ability to hold an edge and to just get really sharp. Now, with the larger folding knife, these are a little bit bigger. If people are going to carry these, I would recommend them for folks that wear jeans or a little bit heavier clothing every day. You can see, in my hand, it's a larger knife. It is 4 1/4 inches long. This knife is made from 440C steel, 440C stainless steel. For many years, that was the best that you could get, and now there's some new ones out that are better, but this is still a very good one. Here's another one made from Kieranite. Here's one with, I think this is Ambonia burl, I can't remember. Here's one in desert ironwood. We have this one is actually carbon fiber. This knife comes in 2 different models. There's the bigger one and then the one that's a little bit smaller. All the specifications are the same. This knife is not complete, if you can see that. But this one is smaller. It's got a bit of a curve to it. This is a flipper. When the blade's in here, you can flip it to get it started and then open it with the thumb rest like you do. These are frame lock knives. As you can see, that it's got a good solid hold in there. These are great knives. I think very highly of them, especially for somebody who's going to use it more or less as a working knife and everyday carry. Thanks so much from Hendrix Classics.